homeowners, welcome to our virtual house tour today. But for today's vlog, we will not going to have a tour sa houses but rather sa lot. So sa Claremont tayo, here in Mabalacan. Currently, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City, Pampanga. So dito yung starting point natin, and we will going to enter sa NLEX dito sa may San Fernando, and very accessible lang siya to all establishment and sa mga nearby mga public market, hospital, and sa mga schools. Later, we're gonna show you around. But right now, ayan, papunta tayo ngayon dito sa may NLEX. So, let's go. So, some of the clients are not very familiar when it comes sa location dito sa Pampanga. But for dito nga sa vlog na to, we will going to tour you dito sa Claremont. Okay? So, this is the entrance sa NLEX. Ayan. So if you will notice, we will going to exit sa Santa Ines, and it's about 9 kilometers na lang. So malapit lang din talaga siya. Of course, kapag dumadaan tayo sa NLEX, wala talagang traffic. No? And yun nga, dito sa Pampanga, hindi ko naman sinasabing totally wala yung traffic, but what I can say is very manageable when it comes sa traffic dito sa Pampanga. Kasi when you go to Manila, 'di ba? Sobrang congested and sobrang traffic din talaga. But here in Pampanga is manageable siya. So here in Claremont, yan, madadaanan mo yung two cities like yun nga, San Fernando, Angeles, and of course kung saan yung Claremont, which is Mabalacan. So yan, this is the Angeles exit. Siyempre, hindi tayo dyan mag-exit. Sa Santa Ines tayo mag-exit. And then, next sa Angeles exit is the U. The U exit, which is about 2 kilometers na lang. And sa Santa Ines, it's 7 kilometers. Kung what time tayo ba umalis kanina? About 9:15, about ganun, no? But right now, it's 9:20. So, imagine, 10 minutes pa lang from San Fernando, and currently nasa Dao na tayo. And then, after this, we will gonna exit sa Santa Ines. So, you have also, ano dito, sa STEX, no? So imagine 2 kilometers na lang, mag-exit na tayo sa Santa Ines, and yun nga, it only proves na sobrang lapit nga lang, diba? So dito sa vlog na to, you will really witness how close the Claremont sa mga nearby establishments talaga. So if you will notice yan, no, end of expressway, 1 kilometer na lang. Mag-exit na yan tayo dito sa Santa Ines. Sobrang smooth lang ng travel natin. With the moderate driving, of course. Not too fast, not too slow lang din. Yan. So we're here na dito sa may Santa Ines exit. Let's check how much. Naloadan na ang aking RFID. Then, dito sa Pampanga, hindi ka naman din maliligaw because you will see a lot of signages. Ayan, so, ayan, you could see the Clark Airport. Ayan. So, mag-right lang tayo dito. So, from here, after Santa Ines exit, it's about 3 to 5 minutes nasa site na tayo. Let's see. Ayan. So, mag-right lang tayo, and then diretso lang tayo, and we'll just go straight, and then sa left side yung Claremont. So you will also see a lot of signages kasi nandito na yung development. There are a lot of subdivisions nearby as well, such as nandito yung si SMDC, the Cheerful Homes, si First Park Homes by Century din yan. And then we also have the Hamana residents. So yan, mga big developers yan, no? And then yun nga, marami nang nag-saturate ng mga developers dito kasi nga they really saw the potential of yun nga na yung pag-progress at pag-develop ng area na to because it's really close to Clark International Airport. But yung pinaka-mauuna nating madadaanan is the Claremont. So siya yung unang-unang subdivision by, of course, it's by Philinvest na subdivision na mauna nating mapupuntahan. So, sobrang lapit na tayo. Like what I've mentioned, 3 to 5 minutes. Actually, nandito na tayo. So, here's the Claremont. So, if you will notice, yung sa harap niya, vacant pa lang siya because there will be future commercial spaces din dyan. And, yan. So, this is the main entrance of Claremont. Yan. And this one, it's very secured. So, 24/7, merong security guard. And mag-say hi lang tayo kay Kuya and pakilala lang tayo. Hi, sir. I'm Allan Marquez, licensed broker. We will going to have a ocular visit dito sa Claremont. Okay? ID. Oh. See? Tingin ka ng ID. No? Dahil very secure dito, hindi ka basta-basta makakapasok. Wait lang po, no? Yeah, ayan. Bibigay muna tayo ng ID for security na hindi basta-basta makakapasok dito. Ayan. Thank you. No? Thank you po. Pero kilala na ako dito dahil nga madalas kami dito. Siyempre. Ayan. Thank you. So this is the Claremont. Actually, it is subdivided into 5 phases. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, Phase 4, and Phase 5. So every phases has their own respective entrance gate. And then we will be heading first to the Clubhouse sa amenity area so that you could see what in store with Claremont. So, nandito tayo, like what I've mentioned, every phases has their own respective entrance gate. Ayan. Si Kuya ay another security guard, no? Again, this is really for safety ng mga residents dito. Kaya kailangan ulit tayo mag-provide ng ID. Sige po. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you po. So, this is the visitor's pass. Despite na licensed broker na ako, kailangan pa din ng ganito for security, again, and safety. Alright? Thank you, Kuya. So, this is the community of Claremont. If you've noticed din, no, ang daming mga puno, no, and ang dami ko na din mga clients dito.
Sana all.
From here, we'll just be heading to the right. So sa phase 1 muna tayo, which is yun nga na nandun located yung sa Clubhouse. Despite it is subdivided into 5 phases, very close lang sila to each other. Hindi naman sila like sobrang layo. So ayan, makita nyo naman dito sa vlog, no, na sobrang lapit lang din nila. So we will be heading to the left. Dito, mag-turn left lang tayo. And ito na yung Clubhouse nila. So, we will going to have a tour dito. Right. Let's park here. Let's go.